Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So earlier I went ahead and posted part 1 of the numbers decode of the Big Lebowski. We hit the finance. And normally I'd go all the way through in the numbers, and I will, and normally I would wait and just hold out, but I couldn't. I did something a little different here. Now, granted, this movie is one of my more favorite movies, probably my favorite movie of all time, if you want to get right down to it. The dialogue, it's absolutely hilarious. And it's all about the dude getting his rug back. But that changed to carpet at one point. And the dude himself said carpet. That's the funny part. It was his rug. He says he thinks carpet pissers did this. Carpet. It was never a carpet. All right. So this one I'm probably digging a little bit deeper for, and I'm breaking out binary code. I went ahead and made a chart real quick. Hold on. I usually don't do this, but we're going to pause this right here. My apologies for that. So I was just getting ready to show this where we started with 0 with A and 1 with B, and 1 was B. 0, C was 0, D was 1, and that went all the way. I went all the way through the alphabet to Z, or Z's here. There's zeros and ones, and now let's get it up here. It's a little tough to get in one shot, but you can see what's going on there. So we broke that down, and I took this CAPET, which we got out of crossing the R off a rug and carpet, and UGCAPET, and got 00000101. Now I can't break that down. I'm just running that. And some interesting things come up. But we're running it forwards. I get pages of relevant stuff. That's the funny part. So let's just look. First you got binary code, and it'll convert it to decimals and bits and such. And I don't really know what to do with that. I did check into it. Quick go term go 00000101, and that ends up being the direct movement definition. The direct movement of amino acids containing sulfur, crystalline, methionine, and their derivatives. So, right away, we hit that. Then we got a few things that are, like a air freshener, a couple things on Amazon that code there. Probably nothing. But then you got the MISO sequence ontology browser transposable element. So it's DNA sequences. It's an element that can insert into a variety of DNA sequences. All right, and these guys study genetics, and this keeps going. Then you got a military boot as well that's in here. But I wanted to keep going, guys, because you have sulfur amino acid transport again, gene ontology amigo, AMIGO. You got ABE00000101 Genome Evolution Laboratory at UW-Madison. So you can keep coming right on down, and mayor's message to the members of city council. I don't know if that's, but handbook of data structures and applications. And I think it was actually page 3 that I found this interesting stuff. because somewhere in here was and of course my internet's going to go out at an opportune moment. But oh no, here we go. Senate documents, otherwise PUBL as public documents, and executive, and I never went in here, but there's several things in there. U.S. export schedule B, commodity and country. So U.S. exports, there you got some financial stuff going on. Teflon tips. So technology once again, and this goes on. I'll provide the search. And then running it backwards, guys, I'm going to tell you, running this whole thing backwards doesn't get you a whole lot. A Fourier transform spectrometer for the 10-10,000 centimeter spectral. So you got a little something there. I went away. So you got several calculator tools. You got U.S. dollar to Indonesia, Indonesian rupiah conversions. So that's finance stuff. So yeah, there's some stuff here, just not as much as going forwards. And I will go ahead and provide both links. And that's my first run ever of trying this stuff with binary code, and relevant stuff comes up. So I just wanted to share that. I still need to go through these things, and maybe I should run the binary code through the categories as well. What would you get if you ran? I don't know. I just ran them quick. I'm going to provide these links, and I might just end up running these things through the categories and see if we get any hit. I don't know. Now I'm curious, so that's what I'm going to do. Now, whether I find anything or not, it'll be another story. If I find something interesting, of course, we'll put a video out at some point. So that's going to be it for this, guys. Just a little thing in the middle here. I decided to go ahead and run binary code with it and get me a binary code chart. Now I didn't look this chart up on anything. I just simply started today and started with 0. And that seems simple enough that I didn't feel that I needed to go anywhere to get anything. I mean, 0, 1, 0, 1. 0's this list of every other letter is 0 and every other letter is 1, and you would of course start with 0, and you would of course start with A, and you would of course end with Z. So that's going to be it, guys. Thanks for all your thumbs up, thumbs down. Thanks for all your comments, leads, feedback, and subscriptions. And by the way, somebody left a video down there. My last video. I don't even know what to say about it. It was clearly a joke. But if you went down and read the comments, I had to go to their channel and then check their last video for it. But if you read the comments, there was a lot of troll comments. So we're just throwing that out there and letting people know, like, that's. I mean, if you click it, there's an annoying thing going on, and it's not much to say about it. It's kind of. I mean, it would be funny as a joke what happened. I'm not even going to get into it because I'm running this video longer than I needed to. And we'll see what happens with the rest of this. This is pretty interesting stuff. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. I think I went through everything I needed to go through. And for now, you guys have a great rest of your day.